If there's one thing that truly enhances a woman's attractiveness, it's her hair. Well-groomed, healthy, shiny, and strong hair always gives us a fresh, attractive look. A woman's face, while still beautiful, undoubtedly becomes less attractive and sexy with unhealthy, dull hair. But maintaining healthy, shiny hair with proper growth and regeneration tends to be a major problem for most women. Billions and billions of dollars are spent each year on hair treatments to make hair look more attractive, shiny, healthy, and strong, yet we rarely see tangible or lasting results. But here's the secret that no one tells you about your hair, and that cosmetic companies don't want you to know, since this lack of knowledge generates you billions of dollars a year in profits from hair product sales. The secret is that many of these hair problems are caused by a completely vitamin-deficient diet. Well, yes, the saying that we are what we eat is much more than just a saying, and it influences every aspect of your health, including the health of your hair. For this reason, in this video, I'll explain in detail the most important and necessary vitamins for your hair to grow healthy, strong, and fuller than ever before, according to what science has said. So stay until the end of the video because the last of these vitamins, which is very little known, is the most important of all and cannot be missed if you want to have healthy, strong, and less brittle hair. If you like this type of information, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share the video with someone you think needs to hear it. Now, this isn't about taking vitamins for the sake of taking them. Depending on your hair problems, you'll have to focus on consuming one type of vitamin or another. If you're looking to increase your hair's shine and elasticity, then products with vitamin B5 and zinc are essential. Consuming them will help prevent frizz and repair damaged tissue. Vitamin B5 helps the skin stay healthy and hydrated and stimulates healing processes. Scientific studies have shown that it has similar benefits for hair. It strengthens strands and soothes the scalp. Due to its low molecular weight, vitamin B5 it can fully penetrate the hair cuticle, extract water from the air, and improve moisture retention in the hair shaft. Vitamin B5 is present in almost all living cells and is essential for most bodily functions. It is a natural component of hair, so when it is lacking, it appears dull, loses elasticity, and becomes thinner and more brittle. You may also notice skin irritation and loss of hair color. Because it can penetrate deep into the hair shaft, unlike other ingredients that remain on the surface, vitamin B5 has the ability not only to attract water but also to retain it, increasing hair hydration and its ability to recover quickly after cleansing or applying chemical products like bleach, which tend to leave the hair fiber brittle and dehydrated. Vitamin B5 for hair forms a film around the strands, keeping the cuticle firm and making hair shiny, soft, and easy to comb, while also preventing frizz. Fortunately, almost all foods of plant and animal origin contain vitamin B5 in varying amounts, although food processing can cause significant loss. It is found in foods that are good sources of B vitamins, such as animal proteins, avocados, broccoli, cabbage, and other vegetables in the cabbage family, as well as eggs, legumes, lentils, milk, mushrooms, organ meats, poultry, potatoes, whole grains, and yeast. Zinc, on the other hand, is a trace mineral, meaning the body requires it in small amounts, but is nevertheless very necessary. Much less known than other ingredients, it is also a valuable component of numerous skin and hair care product formulas. Zinc has a notable effect on hair health and some skin conditions. Is your hair falling out more than usual, or is it brittle? Does your hair seem lifeless? Perhaps that lackluster appearance is related to low zinc levels. Low zinc intake can lead to alopecia, weaker hair, color changes, and increased hair loss. There are also scientific publications that associate zinc deficiency with an increase in dandruff caused by a very dry scalp. Zinc helps slow hair loss and strengthen hair fibers. It also helps stimulate hair growth, protects the hair bulb, and prevents further hair loss. By promoting the synthesis of keratin and collagen, it prevents premature hair aging and protects hair pigmentation. Fortunately, there are many foods that provide zinc. Oysters are the best sources of this nutrient, providing around 76 milligrams of zinc per 6 oysters. Other interesting sources include zinc-fortified cereals and beef, pork, turkey, and chicken, as well as legumes, yogurt, Swiss cheese, almonds, and walnuts. If you're looking to prevent brittle hair and split ends, vitamin B12 is your best option. It plays a vital role in the formation of red blood cells, which carry oxygen and nutrients to the scalp. When you suffer from a vitamin B12 deficiency, one of the first symptoms is noticing that your hair is much weaker and brittle. Depending on the severity of the problem, you may even experience occasional hair loss, or if you already had alopecia, it's common to feel that the hair loss becomes more pronounced and more worrying. Vitamin B12, or cobalamin, is one of the most important vitamins for the health of our body. It's also a B vitamin that plays a fundamental role in the formation of red blood cells, cellular metabolism, nerve function, and DNA production. This vitamin is one of the most important for the proper functioning of our body, especially at the cellular level and in cognitive functions and those related to the nervous system. Not surprisingly, a vitamin B12 deficiency can cause anemia, fatigue, muscle weakness, intestinal problems, damage to the nervous system, and mood disorders. B12 is commonly obtained from animal meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. It's also increasingly common to find vegan and vegetarian foods enriched with this vitamin. For example, meat substitutes made from soy or pea protein are often enriched with B12, as are plant-based alternatives to cheese and other dairy products. Vitamin B12 performs two basic functions to help you maintain your hair health. On the one hand, it helps keep your hair strong and healthy. Vitamin B12 is a nutrient that helps metabolize amino acids, the basic and necessary components of hair. On the other hand, it's essential for maintaining healthy red blood cells, which are essential for ensuring that oxygen properly reaches tissues, including hair follicles. One of the first symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency is deteriorating hair health, and, depending on the severity of the case, iron deficiency alopecia. Iron deficiency alopecia is a diffuse hair loss that usually presents as acute telogen effluvium. That is, it typically presents as a very noticeable, usually temporary, decrease in hair density that appears 2 to 4 months after the underlying cause. Vitamin B12 deficiency, however, can trigger or worsen other types of hair loss, such as chronic telogen effluvium when telogen effluvium lasts more than 6 months, androgenetic alopecia, and alopecia areata. The simplest course of action for treating vitamin B12 deficiency is supplementation. This solution is most recommended in cases where the deficiency is due to dietary causes and in some cases of malabsorption. However, if your body has trouble absorbing this vitamin, the best solution is to seek specialized medical advice.